So I've come back to these waterfalls. I was here about 2 years ago. I'll leave the link up here to that vlog. It was really difficult to get a shot. So I've come back today with the hope of trying to get down there and to get some sort of shot. So I'm going to try and tread very carefully and find a position to get a shot from somewhere. Actually, I think I'm gonna go down on my ass. They really are beautiful waterfalls. I know there's another set of falls just behind the corner here, so I'm trying to get across the ledge here and hopefully see if I can get a shot over there. What I would like to do is get down to the bottom on this path here somehow. Right, so I've managed to get down here. Got a really good angle from this side, so I've come across the sides here. I don't recommend it. That's why it came today. Summer really, it's quite dry, so I wouldn't slip. But here's quite good. Look at the moss on the edge of the wall here. I think I can climb up there and find a position for a shot. I can also, after get to the other side and find another angle from over there. I think I'll leave that later on when the sun goes down a bit more, because it's really harsh and I could do without the harsh light, to be honest with you. But yeah, they look fantastic. So yeah, not many people know about this. It's very hidden away. So yeah, these are beautiful waterfalls. So I'm going to try and climb up on these mossy rocks here, and it's given me an opportunity really to use the moss as the bottom, you know. So yeah, I'll get up there and see how it is. But at the moment the light is too harsh for me. I've got to say this angle's really good. Do you know what I really like here? It's just the sunbeams coming down there and you're getting that mist coming off that water, really making it look nice and mysterious. I've tried taking shots here, but the light is really, really harsh on the waterfalls. So I've tried different shots. I've done some bracketing simply because of the dynamic range I need to bracket for that. But wow, just looks awesome. I'm just going to carry on taking a few more shots. I think what I'm best doing is I'm going to head down to another set of waterfalls I want to shoot, then come back here a bit later on when that sun's going down a bit, and I think just from over here I'll get a cracking shot, I think, just as the sun's going down, because I'm going to get this falls here on the left of the frame right throughout and coming down on the right. Yeah, awesome. where I wanted to go to the next waterfall, I can't get the access to get there. There's about 3 trees come down during the winter, and the way down there is completely blocked. So I'm gonna have to forget that one. What I'm gonna do now is gonna head to the other side of them waterfalls and finish off there. But that's a shame, because that was a really nice composition down there I had before, and I really wanted to go back and do it again. But we'll come back in autumn and see what it's like then. But no access whatsoever. So just having 5 minutes, getting here was a bloody nightmare. I had to get over a fence with barbed wire. I've ripped my trousers getting over it. Then I sank into the mud up to my knee. Took me about 2 minutes to get out of that swampy shit. And then on the way down here again, it doesn't look like it, but I went knee deep again in mud. So it's hard work. Climbing down these places, getting over fences, and with all this gear, it's too much. So I'm having 5 minutes taking all this in, and then I'm going to head down there and find the composition. But look at that, that's really beautiful. Yeah, so what I've got in mind for this is when I get down to the bottom there. I just love the way the falls come in on the left of the frame there, and on the right there they're just flowing down onto the right. A really nice wide shot. I'm going to go down there in a minute, and I'm going to hang around there probably till the sun goes down. I want to come away with the best I can with this shot, because it took a bloody mission and a half to get here. But it's always worth it for the shot, if you get the shot. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do in a minute when I catch my breath again, is get down there and set up. So I've had about 5 minutes where the sun's just tucked away behind the tree. I haven't had the harsh light coming down, so within that 5 minutes I was taking shots. Now I put a polarizer to take the glare from the this part of the river here. So yeah, I've done a wide shot with the waters coming down on the left of the frame, and I just love these waterfalls coming into frame here. I've also done a portrait style as well. So I think I'm going to call it a day there with this vlog. Boy, it's been hard getting here today. Like I can feel all the cuts on me now with the barbed wire. Just got to go all the way back again through all that shit. But hopefully it's been worth it anyway. So if you do like this vlog, please do subscribe, leave a comment, hit the like button, and until next time, thanks for watching. Bye.